Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon. How are you?
Yes, I'm pretty well. What about you?
I'm also perfectly fine. Thanks for asking. So we are meeting very first time. Should we start introducing ourselves first?
Yeah, of course. Yeah. So, okay. First, I'm going to introduce myself. So, my name is Garen from UP in Lucknow, and here I'm living in a small village. And of course, since I'm living in a small village, so I have to work as a farmer. Also, I have some animals. I just take care of them. And apart from that thing, I have this YouTube channel, which I have been running for 1.5 years. So that's all about me.
Yes, it's really great to know about you. And I have watched your couple of videos, and they were really very interesting. And now, let me introduce myself.
Thank you so much for that. Yeah, of course, I would love to know about you.
Yes, yes, thank you. So, as you know, my name is Smriti Saru. I live in Gurugram. I hold a bachelor's degree in arts. I'm happily married and blessed with two wonderful children, a daughter and a son. I'm a homemaker as well as a YouTuber running two YouTube channels. The first is Nirmal Vidya Sahaj Yoga Meditation channel. I share meditation content there. And the
Hmm.
second is Pure Knowledge for English beginners, aimed at English beginners. As far as my hobbies go, I love working on both of my channels. So this is me in a nutshell. Thanks for listening.
Oh, that's really great. That as well as a YouTuber, you are trainer as a yoga teacher, you can say. So,
Actually, I am a practitioner. My family and I are practitioners of Sahaj Yoga meditation, and we have been practicing since 2003 and benefited tremendously, immensely. So that's why I created my channel. I wanted to share it with everyone. So that's why I created my channel. And through my content, every beginner can learn how to meditate by Sahaj Yoga way. And Sahaj
oh,
Yoga meditation is completely, absolutely free for all.
okay, it's free. Oh, that's great, and it's really very important for each and every person because here, if you take some time for meditation and yoga, so that's really very fantastic for you. You are going to productive throughout the day. Energetic throughout the day. So it's really very important. And I can see there are less trainer for yoga and that thing because it's really, really difficult to find such kind of teacher over on YouTube. So you are doing great. So do you have any students like whom you train?
No, I upload my content there, videos there. So by that, all the learners can learn that how we can meditate. And Sahaj Yoga meditation is available on every online platforms like Google, Instagram, and YouTube. So uh, by that also, beginners can learn very easily and
Okay,
can practice. Yes.
but you don't provide classes, I think.
No, I don't take classes. No need to take classes. Sahaj Yoga meditation, it is a very easy to learn. We can
Okay.
learn uh, with a specific process of sorry,
Yeah, yeah.
sorry about that.
Okay, it's
So
okay.
we can learn by a specific process. That process called self-realization, and this
Mm-hmm.
process take only 10 to 20 minutes, not more than that. Or by that process, um, mm, by self-realization process, anybody if have a desire, pure desire, so they can awaken their kundalini energy, and by
Yeah,
that
yeah,
energy we can connect with the all pervading power. So
yeah.
need to join courses or or waste your hard earned money anywhere for
Correct.
connecting with the all pervading power. क्योंकि all pervading power is available for each and everyone. So if
Hmm.
he is not able to spend money, so they can't, can they not have that right to connect with the God or divine? So that's why Sahaj Yoga is completely, absolutely free for everyone.
Oh,
And
that.
it does not take your lots of precious time. It just take 20 to 15 minutes to learn this process, and by this process you can very easily meditate at your home, and you need only 5 to 10 minutes in the morning and evening. This is sufficient.
Oh, that's great. You are doing great that you are providing free for, of course, through the video you can tell that yoga, how much like uh, like important yoga in our life, so that's great. And of
Mm.
course, for peace and calm in our life we must go through meditation and yoga. But what would you like to say for new generation, because some of them they don't believe in such kind of thing, and they don't know actually what is the benefit for meditation and yoga.
They
So
don't know actually the benefits of Sahaj Yoga. In my on my channel, I have uploaded 4 episodes, especially on benefits of Sahaj Yoga meditation. But some of the benefits I will tell right now, like by meditation, by the Sahaj Yoga meditation, we can get immense benefits like inner peace, emotional balance, mental clarity, and improved physical health, stress
yeah.
relief, freedom from all kind of addictions, and
Oh,
um, um, as well as of course sorry, spiritual growth is there. So there
yeah.
are lots of benefit, a lot of benefit by doing, just spending 5 minutes in the morning and 5 to 10 minutes in the evening. That's enough. So
Yeah,
we
like,
can find these days, you can know very well, there are lots of addictions, and in all these addictions, if uh, someone just not able to get rid of all this
hmm.
in all this addiction, and by meditating, by Sahaj Yoga way, we can very easily get rid of all kind of addictions. But if
Yeah,
someone don't like to meditate, so we can't help them. Nobody
yeah,
can help. If
yeah, of
they
course.
feel, if they have that desire, then only they can meditate. And it is not the case of meditation. If we don't have desire, so we can't do anything. Like if we have desire, that's why we are conversing. That's why we want to have any kind of food. That's why we are reading. If we don't have any kind of desire, we can't do anything. So
Right.
just like that, if we don't have desire, so we can't meditate. So
Yeah, because until you are not passionate about that thing, until you believe in anything, those things are not going to help you.
yeah,
Suppose we are taking any medicine and we just believe in that medicine that yes, this medicine is very effective. It is
mm,
going to dissipate our pain. So of course, believingness is something over there, I think.
we
And
have.
suppose someone is
Mm,
forcing you to do that, so of course it's really very difficult to like apply all the thing, and those things are going to help you. I don't think so. Yeah. So you are saying right that if you believe and if you like passionate about those things, of course you should do this. And of course that's really very great. uh,
mm,
I don't do, because here in village area I don't have lots of knowledge about yoga and meditation. So yeah. So okay, what is the difference between exercise and meditation?
yeah. Exercise we just do for our physical health,
Hmm.
and meditation is for our, not only for our physical health, it's for our mental relief, emotional relief. So meditation is this. Meditation means silencing yourself and
Yeah,
silence thoughts for getting your inner peace, inner silence. For that,
yeah. Meditation.
meditation is needed.
Yeah, meditation keeps you away from the stress and all the thing, and it provides
Kind
you
of
peace and calm.
bombarding thoughts. Like
Hmm.
you are staying there in the village area, but you also sometimes must be feeling some kind of thoughts, and
Yeah,
you
of
feel
course. We
restless
are to
just because
disturb.
of that.
Yeah.
So
Hmm.
that's why I created my channel, that anybody can just watch these my videos and very easily can learn meditation by Sahaj Yoga way, and can meditate just staying their home only.
Yeah,
So it's
and could you please mention your channel name?
Nirmal Vidya Sahaj Yoga meditation channel. But I will
Oh,
send my link to you definitely, and you can watch. Mm.
thank you thank you so much. Yeah, in this era, all the people have stress and all the people are disturbed. So they must go through the medicine and yoga because you are not going to take lots of time here, like 20 minutes. Everyone has 20 minutes. And of course, after doing this, you are going to feel energetic, and you feel peace and tranquility, of course, mentally and physically. So that's really very important in busy schedule. So
Yes,
people
you
must
can get
go. But
open.
I would say that, ma'am, I must say that mostly I think those things people just like educated, they can do. But what about uneducated? They, of course, still I would like to say again that they don't want to do such kind of thing. I don't know whether they are under the rope, they don't have knowledge, and I don't know why. But yes, in my village area, nobody does exercise, nobody go through the meditation and yoga. But yes,
Mhm.
I must say that this is really, really effective things for human body. Otherwise,
It
of
is
course, you have lots
uh,
of stress, you have
real
lots of
for
work.
all. Yes. Shri Mataji, who is founder of Sahaj Yoga Meditation, she traveled all around the world, India, and villages also. And there are lots of villages. There are Sahaj Yoga centers, and if somebody just go there, they can find it completely free.
Correct.
This
That is great thing. Yeah.
everywhere. You can just type Sahaj Yoga Center near me. So you can get address of Sahaj Yoga Center near you. And you can go there if you want to just look that how it run. So you can go there too.
Yeah, of
It is
course.
very easily available for all. And if anybody not able to go, they can just uh, can feel at their home only by all online platforms and by visiting my channel.
Yeah, there is, of course, you are right, because there is no need to say that I am from village area and this and that. Nowadays, there is no distance between city and village because everyone has facilities, and most of
Everyone,
the like,
this is smart
yes.
media.
Hmm.
We can't complain actually.
Yeah, you are right. If you make excuses, it means you don't want to do like that.
Mhm.
Of course,
Yeah,
being at home, being in Blazer, you can get knowledge, whatever you want to get through the
yeah,
social media. Now you have everything in your hand, so you can do that. So you
yeah.
are correct.
Just you are speaking so eloquently. So you are having very good knowledge. So anyone can learn English.
Yeah, not only learn English, but also I would like to say that if you have passion, if you want to save yourself, and if you want to live your life the way you want to live, of course you have to do something. Don't cry. Cry will not work for you until you do something. So
Yeah.
that is
But
like I always say that you are alone in this earth, and this is your life. You are owner of your life. So if you have pain, so you have to tolerate your pain. No one can take your half of the pain. So just think. You have to think about you, what you have to do. So this is so.
mhm.
If it is our responsibility to take care of our body. So of course we need to go through yoga and meditation and exercise and all the productivity, because
Yes, yes,
those things makes us confident and peace and calm and strong and
yeah,
gain lots of energy to do something ahead. Otherwise, of course, we are such a couch potato nowadays. In new generation, of course, most of the people are like that. They don't want to do anything. They are
yeah,
just lazy, and they just eat and just waste their time on. Most of the time they just waste their time on social media. I'm also one of them. I'm not saying that I'm not like that. Most of the people, they are getting habit this thing. They don't want to go through the exercise, and they don't want to do any hard work. They just, it's okay, my life is going okay, it's okay, I'm not going to do any hard work. But yeah, some of them. So of course we need to think what we have to do.
yeah. Uh, are you getting a call or am I getting a call?
I'm not getting call.
I am getting a call. Actually, should I disconnect that call or
Okay, ma'am.
let it?
Okay. Yeah,
It
it's
will that, like that
kind of
only.
okay.
Uh,
You can receive that call if it is important call.
it's fine. It's fine. No issues.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, bye.
By itself. No, it disconnected. It's
Oh,
disconnect. Yeah.
oh,
And
okay.
we covered our time too. We conversed 17 minutes. So
Hmm.
should we wrap up now? Or
Yes.
we'll definitely connect later too with a new topic. And if you want to know something else, or then we can connect again.
Yeah,
So
definitely. Yeah, of course, ma'am.
uh,
And you told so many things in this video. People are going to watch your video, and they are going to learn, and they are going to do. Of course, anyone I also.
mm,
And please send your channel name.
definitely, definitely,
Okay,
I will send you.
thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so much. Thank you. Have a great day.
Yeah, you too. Okay, bye.
Bye.